Good morning students, hope you all are good. Today we will learn word problems. Before starting this topic, we will learn some keywords to solve word problems. Dear students, these are the keywords for addition. It means if you find any question statement with any of these words, then you have to solve that word problem with addition operation. What are the keywords? Some, more, both, total, combined, increase, altogether, together, in all, plus, add. You have to remember these keywords to solve word problems. Sana has 11 marbles. Her sister gives her 9 marbles. How many marbles does Sana have altogether? As you can see, there is a keyword for addition altogether in this question. Next page, here the solved example. 11 plus 9. 1 and 9, 10. 0 will be in 1's place and 1 will be regrouped on 10's place. Then we will add 1 plus 1, that is 2. So, Sana has 20 marbles altogether. Dear students, now we will solve word problems in this practice zone. First question is, Lisa has 12 goldfish. She gets 3 more goldfish from her father. How many goldfish does she have now? Here the keyword more is used in this question. So, we will add 12 and 3. Here you can see we will wrote 12, sign of addition, that is plus, 3 is equal to. We will add 12 and 3. We will start from ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write 5 in 1's place and 1 will be as it is. What is the answer? 15. Dear students, you can solve here roughly on your book. 15 is the sum of 12 and 13, and we will write in dash also she has 15 goldfish now. The second question is, there are dash cats. You can count these cats. There are 6 cats. There are 4 rabbits. There are 3 lizards. Now, here this is the question. There are dash animals altogether. Altogether is the keyword of addition. So, we will add 6, 4 and 3. Start from ones. Here 6 and we will count on 4 after 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will count more 3's. 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 will be here and 1 will be regrouped in 10's. So the answer will be 13. Solve by yourself also and complete the sentence. 6 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 13. There are 13 animals altogether. We will solve word problems on page number 46. Here the first word problem in testing zone is 8 birds are sitting on the wires. 3 more birds sit on the tree. How many birds are there altogether now? Here 2 keywords are used in this statement, more and together. Here you can see 8 are on wires and 3 on trees. We will add by counting on. We will count 3 after 8. 9, 10, 11. We got the total number of birds and we will write in the blank 8 plus 3, 11. is equal to 11. Question number 2 is related to number bond that has been done already. Question number 3 is a word problem. Sonia has 27 stickers. Her mother gives her 15 more. How many stickers does she have now? More is the keyword for addition. Let's add 27 and 15. We will start from ones. We will count on fives from 7. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 is the sum of 7 and 15. We will write 2 here and 1 will be regrouped on tens. Now we will add tens 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer will be 42. So here we will write 42. Question number 4 is, if Monica has 34 apples and she buys 15 more apples, how many apples does she have altogether? Altogether and more are the keywords of addition. So we will add 34 and 15. Here you can see 34 plus 15. If we start from ones, 4 plus 5 will be 9. 3 plus 1, yes, 4. So the answer will be 49. We will write answer in this box. Try to solve all the questions by yourself. Practice the question. Good luck.